Hey people, so this particular review, I ought to have made it like I think. Uh, no, I mean as soon as this show called Karanjit Kaur, the untold story of Sunny Leone came, I had watched this show pretty much then, and really, I mean, I think it's one of the most well-directed web series I have ever seen. And that's what it's been directed by Aditya Dutt, who's he's made Table Number 21 and Ashik Banaya Aapne and all. And but honestly, for me, this particular series is not just about Sunny Leone and just generally most people would watch it for her, but I just love uh, Bijay Anand and Grusha Kapoor in the film. They play Sunny Leone's parents in the film, and oh my god, I mean, what Therav in the performance of Bijay Anand, like, you really come to respect his character, his Grusha Kapoor, oh my, like when she her character, like she plays Sunny Leone's mom in the film, and Sunny Leone lost her mom pretty early in life. I mean, like uh, you know she must have been in her early 20s, I guess. And So when Grusha, no, I also lost my mom 6 years ago, so this very topic is very sensitive. But when Grusha Kapoor is no longer part of the show, I actually stopped watching it. This web series. Normally, with regard to web series, you watch one episode after the other. But Grusha Kapoor in particular, here, what comic timing, yeah. I mean, she when she comes on screen, she kind of lights it up. It's like there are there are certain places where even with Sunny Leone in the frame, you would want to wait and hear Grusha Kapoor's dialogues, because they are just so funny and cute. So people, if there's one web series that you all should watch this during this lockdown, it is Karanjit Kaur, The Untold Story, because I think it is by far the best show on the Z5 app. Seriously. And since I have this tiny channel, I've been really looking at all the different shows. But Aditya Dutt, salute, yeah. I mean, he brings such a it it's so well directed, and that human side of everything is shown. So it's just one of the best series you can watch. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.